Well, good morning. Here we are in North Leeds, and today I'm going to be working on a roof clean. Now, I've done quite a few roof cleaning jobs throughout the year, but this is the first one that I've actually attempted to film, and I think that in itself is going to present quite a few challenges. My name's Paul Driver, and I'm the owner of JetReady. We're known for exterior cleaning and restoration services, and this year we've started to offer a roof cleaning service. So we're all prepped, ready to start the clean. I've got the scaffold tower nice and solid, disconnected the downpipes, and I've attached to that a PVC sleeve which is going down to a bucket at ground level. The PVC tube, sometimes called gutter sleeves, the whole point of that is to catch any moss which happens to go down so it doesn't block the downpipes. But more importantly, when we put the biocide on the roof, there's going to be a certain amount of chemical runoff. We catch that in a bucket at the bottom to stop it going into the drainage system. Close look at the roof. Now, to the front of the building's a little bit of moss, but not too much. There's a great deal more on the back. Got the pressure washer running on the van. I've dialed the revs right down, so we're essentially using quite low pressure. And I've got up here a carbon fibre water-fed pole. To the end of that, I've got a rotary flat surface cleaner. That's what I'm going to clean the roof with. Time to crack on. Day two, just about to start work on the back. There's a lot of moss on this side, so I'm going to get the thick of it off with a scraper. Right, that's the worst of the moss scraped off. I'll just get this into a bucket and lower it down. Boat baler, don't leave home without one. So now I've got the thick of the moss off, time to get stuck in with the flat surface cleaner. That's this section of the roof substantially cleaned off. But if we take a closer look, we can see that there's still organic matter that remains. A bit of all sorts there, but mainly little branches of moss that are stuck in between the tiles, and there's also some lichens and that sort of thing. Now, it's not practical to get all of that off with normal cleaning techniques. That's where the biocide treatment comes in. After we've treated the roof, that will absolutely terminate any surviving organic growth. And over the weeks and months that follow, these organic traces will biodegrade and wash away. And it'll appear that the roof gets cleaner and cleaner and cleaner over time. All cleaned off. Looks absolutely amazing now. Fantastic. Brilliant. Well, with the failing daylight last night, I didn't get the job finished in terms of putting the biocide treatment on the roof, so I'm back here today to do that. Fortunately, it's all dried out now. It's a nice blue sky day, light breeze, which is perfect conditions really. With all the scaffolding out of the way, I'll be able to do the biocide treatment from the ground using a water-fed pole and a brush. So that's all finished and it's looking absolutely fantastic. Roof cleaning, bloody hard graft and not without its hazards. You certainly earn your money, but it's a good thing for keeping you busy in these autumn months when most of the driveway, patio and decking work is thin on the ground. So until next time, all the best to all of you.